Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low, and I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. It's time to work smart, not hard. You cannot force anyone to love you. You cannot force progress. You cannot force someone to support you, but you can love someone into loving you. You can love people into supporting you. You can love yourself into prosperity. Think, work smart, not hard. When someone comes and gives you the right word, some wisdom, take that, have a teachable spirit, a teachable mind, be ready to adjust and use their words of wisdom and establish that because it will make your walk, it'll make your manifestations and make your journey much easier, where you'll be able to enjoy and also be successful. If a hard head never makes it to his destination, it works in a circle. You continue to do the same things, thinking that you're going to get different results. That's the definition of insanity. Time to do something different. Ask, and you shall find. God has a plan for me, and I live here now knowing that beauty is to come, and I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me. Understand, we can't force anything, but we can love it into expediting the results that we want. I learned from my experiences. Take small steps in faith. That's consistency. Consistency every day. Show up and show out, and you succeed thanks to all your efforts. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Please love yourself, and like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. I love you.